feel fabulous with food, and I'm here to tell you today about my favorite and absolute easiest raw vegan pancakes. First, I want to talk to you about fruit for breakfast. The morning is the time when you want to have the most easy to digest food. And so I eat fruit for breakfast, and that's why I'm making these delicious plantain pancakes, because they are so easy to digest. And they keep my figure. After 27 years of being raw vegan, I don't have to worry as I'm getting older about gaining weight, having problems with my hormones, having gut health issues, because I eat all the carbohydrates that I want. And that's why I'm going to tell you about the easiest pancakes you could possibly make. So I have plantains. I usually use 4 or 5, and these are getting ripe, and so they're feeling a little soft to the touch. You want to have them even more ripe, starting to get blacker. And what you're going to do is you're going to peel them. You're going to chop them up and put them into your blender, and you're going to blend them all up until they're a smooth mix. Then you're going to put in cinnamon. That gives it such a nice aroma in the kitchen. So you're going to put in about a tablespoon of cinnamon, or to whatever you like. So this is a 2-ingredient pancake. For those of you who tell me that raw vegan is too complicated, this is the most uncomplicated recipe you could find out there. Plantains and cinnamon, and then you're going to add water. So I'll add like a cup or more of water. You want a nice, thick batter for your plantain pancakes. Well, I'm going to recommend that you have fruit for breakfast. That's my recommendation. And if you enjoy this recipe and you got value from this video, if you could subscribe here and comment, what are your favorite fruits? And do you have a nice, quick fruit recipe that you can tell us about in the comments section below? That would be awesome. And for those of you who are looking for health coaching, I have a free 15 minutes that we can go over what you're looking for, if it's weight loss and balancing your hormones or improving your gut health. And you can see that below. Oh my goodness, so excited for these plantain pancakes. It's hardly even a recipe. Just plantains and cinnamon and a little water. Blend it up, and here we go. Dehydrated and looking beautiful. Dehydrated at 110 degrees for as long as you desire. Pretty soon I'm going to flip, and then they're going to be ready after about an hour.